bloggers ask me words, how many words are good enough for one article. What I would suggest is it based on the two things. One is the age group of the person or the age group of readers, and second is the profession of the readers. So let's talk about the age group. So if a person is a kid, you know, the kid from the school and who may not have enough work time to read the articles on the internet, so he would prefer to read somewhere around 500 to 1000 words. And a person who is let's say in his 30s or 40s, he may be a good software consultant, or he may be a banker, and he may would like to do some quick research, so he would prefer to somewhere around 500 words. So there is another example. Let's say if it's a recipe blog, so somebody who is the chef, so he may wants to see a recipe which can be done quickly, and then he would prefer to have a less than 500 words. Or let's say if there is a software program, and very few people would like to have a software programs that are lengthy, so people would prefer to have somewhere around in the range of the 1000 words, or you can say 2 to 3 pages at max. Anything more than that would more make it will make the reader more boring, and he will lose the track of the content. So in a nutshell, I would say any article which has a good content and the unique content, I would say 1000 words to 2000. It's a good range for any sort of articles in the blog. But again, as I said, it totally depends upon the age group and the professions of the readers who are trying to search the data on the internet. Thank you very much.